Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about multi-step form. So let's see how can we create multi-step form in Laravel 8. So first of all, let's create a new controller. So switch to the command prompt and just type the command php artisan make controller and controller name. Let's say controller name is form controller. Alright, now press enter. Now switch to the project and just open the form controller. So just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and from here just open form controller. Inside this form controller, let's create a function here. So just type here function public function and function name. Let's say function name is index, and inside this just return here a view. Let's say view name is multi dash step dash form. Alright. Now let's create the route for this function. So just go inside the routes directory, then just open web.php, and here just write here route get, and let's say URI is form. Add here the controller name, which is form controller. Also add here the form controller like this. Okay, and just write here colon class, and add here the function name. Function name is index. Okay, so just write here index. Now save this file. Now let's create this view. So just copy this view name and go inside the resources directory, then views, and here let's create a new file, multi-step-form dot blade.php. Alright, now just open this file, and inside this file let's add here the HTML5 boilerplate. So just type exclamation sign and press tab. Now change the title here multi-step form. Alright, now inside this blade file, let's add the bootstrap CDN. So just go to the get bootstrap.com, and now click on get started. From here just copy the CSS and paste here. Now just copy this JS file, and after this just paste here. Alright, now go to the Google, and here just search Parsley JS CDN. Okay, now click on first link, and from here just copy the parsley.mean.js. Okay, so just click here, and after this just paste here. Alright, now let's add the form. So inside this body just add here the section, and inside this section just write here container, then row, column, empty, 6, also add here offset MD3. Alright, and inside this just add here the card header, and text white. Alright, and busy info. Inside this just add here the heading multi-step form. Now just add here card body, and inside this let's add here the form. So just write here form and class, let's say contact dash form. Alright, and inside this first of all add here @csrf. Now just add here the form section, form dash section, and inside this let's create the input field for the first name. So first create the label for first name and just add here first name. Alright, now create the input field. Input type is equal to text and name is equal to first name, and class form dash control. Alright, also add here the required. Alright, now just copy this and paste here. Now just add here the last name, also change the name, last name. Alright, now create another section, form section. So just write here form dash section, and inside this just copy this and paste here 2 times, and now change the text here. Just write here email, also change the name email and type email. Alright, and inside this label just write here the email, and here write here the phone name phone, and also here phone. Alright, now let's create last section, form dash section, and inside this let's create a text area for the message. So first of all add the label for MSG and just add here the text message, and now just create text area, class form dash control. Alright, and name is equal to MSG. Alright, now just close the text area and also add here the required. Okay, now let's create the button next, previous, and submit button. So just add here form dash navigation, and inside this first create the previous button. So just write here button type is equal to button, and class previous btn dash info, and add here the float left. Okay, and inside this button just add here a text previous. Alright, now let's add the button for next. So just write here button type is equal to button, and class next btn dash btn info. Alright, and dot right. Alright, and just add here the text next. And now let's create the submit button. So just write here button type is equal to submit, and class btn dash success. Okay, and just add here float dash right, and inside this button just add here the text submit. Alright, okay, now let's check this form. So first of all run the application. So just write here php artisan serve, and now go to the browser and just go to the URL /form. Alright, now let's add some CSS. So inside this header tag, just add here a style tag, and just write here section, and give some padding here. So just write here padding desktop, let's say 100 pixel. Alright, okay. Now add here the form dash section, and just add here the padding left 15 pixel, display none. Alright, dot form dash section dot current, and just write here margin, sorry, display inherit. Alright, and also some add here some margin for the button. So just write here btn dash info, and btn dash success, and margin top, let's say 10 pixel. And now just set the color for error. So just write here dot parsley dash errors dash list, and just add here margin 2 pixel, 0 and 3 pixel. Alright, and set the padding 0, list style type none, and set the color red. Alright, now save this file. Now let's add some JavaScript code. So after this section, just add here the script tag, the script, and inside this just write here dollar function, and inside this let's create a variable. So just write here var dollar sections, and just write here dollar, and just copy this class name. Okay, form dash section, and just write here dot form dash section. Right, now create a function here, function navigate to, and inside this just pass here index. Alright, and inside this function just write here dollar sections dot remove class. If class has current, so just remove this current class, and then eq, just inside this just pass here the index, and just add the add class, and inside this just pass here the class name current. Okay, this class. And now just write here form dot form dash navigation dot previous this class. Alright, then just call here the toggle function, and inside this uh, index is greater than 0. Alright, now where at the end is equal to index is greater than and equal to dollar sections dot length minus 1. Alright, dollar form navigation dot form dash navigation dot next, and just add here toggle not at the end. Alright, and for the submit button just write here dot form dash navigation navigation, and inside the big bracket just write here type is equal to submit dot toggle at the end. Alright, now let's create another function. So just write your function current index, and inside this simply return here dollar sections dot index, and inside this just write here dollar sections dot filter, and inside this filter just pass here the current class. So just write here dot current. Now just write here dollar dot form navigation form dash navigation dot previous dot click. If click on previous button, then just add here the callback function, and inside this just call the navigate function navigate to, and inside this just pass here current index and minus 1. Right, and for the next button dollar dot form navigation dot next on click, add here the callback function, and inside this dollar add here the form class which is contact form. So just copy this class name and dot and paste here the class name contact dash form. Alright, and now just write here dot parsley dot parsley dot when validate, and inside this just write here group log dash concatenate here current index okay, and just write here done. If done, then add here the callback function and inside this just call here the navigate to, and inside this function just pass here current index and plus 1. Alright, and after this just write here dollar sections dot each, add here the callback function and inside this just pass here two parameter, index and section. Alright, and inside this dollar section dot find, inside this is right here input attribute attr and data dash parsley dash group, and here just add comma block plus concatenation sign and just write here index. Okay, and in last just call the navigate function and just pass here 0. Okay, now save this file. Now it's done. So let's check this. So just refresh the page. Alright, if I click on next, validation not working. Let's check. So go inside the multi-step form.blade.php file and the required added here, first name, last name, email, phone, sections.each index section, block. Alright, just add here the dash. Okay, block dash uh, concatenation sign then index. Okay, now save this file and let's check again. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, now click on next and you can see the validation error. Okay, and now just enter the name, let's say Peter, Mark, John. Alright, now click on next, and if you click on next you can see the validation error. Now just add here the email ID and phone number. Alright, now click on next and just enter a message here. Here padding margin top is not working, so just add here alright btn dash success. Okay, margin top. Now just refresh the page. Next, next. Okay, and just add here paste message. Alright, and if I click on submit, the form submitted. Okay, now let's create a function inside the form controller. So just write here public function and function name form submit, and inside this just pass a request $request and just return here $request arrow all. Alright, now save this file and let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php and here just write route post, and inside this just add here the route URI form, add here the controller form controller colon class and function name form submit. Okay, so just copy this function name and paste here. Also add the route name, so just write here name form dot submit. Alright, now just copy this route name and go inside the blade file and inside the form just add here method post and action, just add a double curly bracket, then route, and inside this just paste here the route name, form submit. Alright, now save this file and let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page, go to the URL form, and now just enter the name Mark John, enter the email ID amazon@gmail.com, phone number. Alright, now click on next and just enter a message, text message, and now just click on submit, and here you can see the submitted report. Alright, so this way you can create multi-step form in Laravel 8. So that's all about multi-step form. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.